Today, some amazing and delicious toasted breadcrumbs. So guys, let's do it. First up, take some bread of your choice, and you want to chop up the bread into small pieces. Chuck your diced bread into a bowl, and next we want a bulb of garlic. Take 2 or 3 cloves, and you simply want to dice up your garlic nice and fine. Then you want to chuck your diced garlic into a blender and throw in some of your bread. I'm doing this in 2 batches, so blend up your bread, empty that out into a bowl, and then chuck in some more bread. Also, we want a lemon, and we want to zest the whole lemon into the bread. Blitz up the second batch of bread until it's really nice and fine. Empty this out into the bowl and then give everything a really good mix through. There we have some lovely garlicky zesty breadcrumbs ready to toast. So pop a frying pan onto the hob, turn heat to medium, add a good splash of olive oil and then chuck in your breadcrumbs. Give them a good stir in the oil and then you want to season with some salt and black pepper. Gently toast off your breadcrumb. The garlicky zesty aroma will fill your kitchen. Absolutely amazing. Toast them off until they're really nice and crispy. Give them a taste, make sure the seasoning's on point, and then you're ready to serve. Pour your toasted breadcrumbs into a bowl and allow them to cool down to get really nice and crispy. And I'll see you next time.